Hi everyone, welcome back. As part of the today's session, we are gonna study a brief overview on operators. So, what exactly the operator means, how these operators are going to work, let us see with a simple examples in this particular scenario. So, what is an operator? Operator are a special symbols that perform some operations on a variables and their values. We have an arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operator, and a logical operator. So, as part of the today's lecture, we will study more about this arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator is a plus, minus, a star, division, and module operation. What I'm going to do right now means let me create a new function. So test example 5. This is the function that I'm creating right now. And in this function, let a is equal to 5 and let b is equal to 10. And I'm doing a print operation of a plus b. So this is what the chunk that I'm going to do. A and B, I'm trying to add it. So I'm just trying to execute this particular function. So here it's getting executed. And if you can see the output, 15 is being printed down to the console. And here print A star B. So I'm asking it to perform a multiply operation on this particular function. So 5 multiplied by 10, it's going to return a 50 out over here. And the same way, print b minus a. And if I run it, so the outcome, it's going to print it as 5. The same way, print b divided by a. So I'm asking it to perform a division operation. So all these operations I'm just writing down in a single method itself. Print b module by 8. A basically, I'm just doing that. Okay, the reminder it's going to return to the console. That's it. 0 is the reminder that's being printed down to the console. These are the various sets of arithmetic operators, whatever we have, guys. Okay, perfect. As part of the next lecture, we will continue with the next set of operators. Thank you. Bye-bye.